Yeah.
Okay, so in this class, I'm going to take only 27 minutes actually to just cover the little topics. After that, we can take another session. We can take like a 5 minutes break, then we can take, okay, the second session. Is
Yeah.
that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sure, great. So are you guys able to see my screen? Is it visible to you both?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
visible.
Okay, so I'm logging into the intune.microsoft.com, which is our main console. So wait a second. Okay, yesterday I have created you guys accounts like the Azure accounts. Let me log into the portal.azure.com also. Okay, so console is ready. I can see the home page. Let me check the portal.azure.com also. Okay, which is our Entra ID. Okay, let me put this down so that it should be okay. Let me minimize this. Okay. So you guys able to see this Azure portal, right? And then we have to
Yeah.
log into the
Yes.
Microsoft Entra ID. That is our Azure Active Directory. Okay. So here we created your accounts, right? Like let me show you that in all users tab. Okay, these are the two accounts which we were created yesterday. But if you remember, when I was created Dhanashri account, I given the manager name is mine. Correct? You remember, right? Let me show you that. If I go to the properties,
Yeah.
if I scroll down, manager is me. Correct?
Yeah.
So I didn't give that manager tab option to Gayatri. So let me give that option first. Okay. Let me go to the users
Yeah.
tab. Let me assign the manager for her as well. So for assigning the manager, we have to open the account and we have to go to the properties. Then we have this option. See here, you don't see that option is there. I mean, here we have a pencil icon. We have a pencil icon means we have a edit option, but you don't see the edit option for manager tab, right? But in the top of the screen, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I see there is some network issue, but okay, no problem. So I'm clicking on the edit properties. Okay.
Yeah.
And after you click on edit option, you will see all the information, what and all we given yesterday. Okay. So let me go to the job information. Here we have that option, add a manager option. Okay. We have to click on the add manager. And now we can see a lot of users means we can see Dhanashri account and Gayatri account also. Why? Yesterday, when I was creating the Dhanashri account initially, so I was the only person available in this Active Directory as a user. So after I created three members, those three people also showing because in the organization we have lot of members, right? Lot of employees are there. So like similar name, similar person can be there. I mean, not similar person. The person, suppose let me take one example name is Karthik. Okay, we can see a lot of Karthik names in the company, right? Like Karthik Kumar, Karthik Subramanya, something like that. So we don't know like who would be the proper person. That's why we have this search and we have to type the correct person. Okay, suppose let me type my name so that I will get only the relevant information to that user only. Okay, we should not assign the different manager to different user. Okay, so we have to always keep this in mind because when we are provisioning any account, so we have to give always manager. Okay, so the user is reporting to this manager if anything is needed, any approval is needed for any application. He should be the first point of point of contact person. Okay, clear, right, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I just save the account so that you guys can see in Gayatri account also we have a manager now. Let me refresh. I don't see it's updated, but let me refresh. Okay, okay, still it did not happen. Let me go down, go back and let me check. It should happen. The manager, now you can see, right? The manager is came in her account. So this is what actually, okay? So the changes is going to happen within few seconds as soon as we updated something in Azure website, which is a cloud database. That's why the changes are taking very fast. But if you update the same thing in Azure normal Active Directory, which is our on-prem Active Directory, the changes will not take will take a lot of time, because when you updated something there, that will sync actually. That will sync to this Azure Active Directory also. For that, it will be taking a lot of time. Okay, but when you are doing any lot of changes, like when you are doing any task in the cloud side, it won't take that much time. It will take maybe a fraction of seconds or sometimes fraction of minutes, so that it will get completed our task. Okay, that's why cloud is the best. Got it, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so remember now we assign the manager, okay, for Gayatri account. So yesterday I didn't provide one of the option when I'm provisioning the account, like when I'm creating the account. So what was the name? Usage location, right?
Location. Yeah.
Yeah, usage location I didn't provide because I want to show you the error. If I don't give that option in your profiles, if you check my account now, so I'm the global admin from this for this company, like for this tenant. We are calling this is a tenant. Okay. So and also we are calling. See, let me tell you in one thing before I'm going to this usage location. Tenant domain organization directory. So these are all same only. Some people are calling tenant, some people are calling domain, some people are calling organization directory, some people are calling active directory. So this is all our domain only. Okay. Suppose if I call Surya at persistent 374, right? Persistent 374 is is my domain, is my tenant. So that is similar actually. Okay. So don't think that somebody calling tenant, somebody calling, domain. So both are same. All are same. Okay. So now you got to understand, right? So this is the company email address, domain email address, and this is the username only. So if I check my assigned roles, you will see what would be like what is the role I'm having in my profile. So give me 1 second here. So it should get refreshed. You see, I'm having two roles. One is Intune administrator, one is global administrator. And also, if you check my licenses, I'm having two licenses, correct? One is Entra ID, one is Microsoft Suite. So, but you don't have any licenses, right? Let me take the Dhanishri name, okay? So I want to assign the role for her first. Let's see if I can able to assign the role also or not, okay? So I have that option because I'm the administrator. So let me add the assignments. Okay, here it is giving an option. So I need to search the name of the user. So the role is, okay, let me let me select global administrator role. Okay, I'm just selecting that. It is just fetching the data. So it's fetched the data. So now she's part of a global administrator. I'm just clicking on next. Okay. And it is asking me to see it's eligible role or it is a active role. If I select the active role, um, see every time she has to activate her role and she need to provide the business justification. Okay, so that's why I don't want to go with the active role. I want to go for eligible role. Role is something that you see there is a deadline and it is a permanent role for you. Okay, and but it should expire within 1 year. Okay. See, right now I'm giving the
Okay.
role, so it will expire after the like after 12 months from now, means 1 year. But if I give the active role, what will happen? So you have to provide the justification every time when you want to activate this role. Correct? You guys remember we have a PIM. in Azure Active Directory. So we have to activate our roles,
Yes.
right? Help desk administrator role. These are the same things, okay? So I'm assigning the role
Yeah.
for you now. So I'm giving the eligible role only because I know you will be you will be doing into an administrator role in my company. So I know you are eligible for that. So that's why I'm giving you eligible role. And if I click on refresh and I see what role is assigned to you. Yeah, this is the role, global administrator. Once you activate the role, it should come here active assignments. Okay. So let me add one more role for you, which would be Intune administrator role. If you have only 1 second, I got email also for that. Okay, no problem. Let me add Intune administrator role. See, if I add only global administrator role, so what you will do, you will be having all the administrator rights in this tenant, like in this domain, but you don't have proper access in the Intune console. That's why I'm giving one more role, which would be necessary. That is Intune administrator. Okay, I'm just giving that. This is also permanent role for you. I'm assigning to you. Your role is completed, right? Your both two roles are completed. Correct. Now I want to assign a license for you, right? So here you will understand what would be the problem if we don't give a usage location to your profile. So I'm going to see you don't have any option to add a license here directly, but this is taking you to this is navigating you to go to the M365 admin center, which is our exchange admin center. Okay, I'm just clicking on that. And just remember, this is not Exchange portal. This is admin portal, okay, for Microsoft. And you see the icon also look like different. In the Exchange portal, you will see here there is a mailboxes and also you will see some groups. Lot of options are there, right? But this is something look is different, right? The portal look is different. You guys remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So let me click on
Yes.
users and then take active users, okay? I just taken this. So now I'm going to provide the license to Dhanashree. I clicked on her account. I want to provide the license now. Let's see I can able to assign the license or not. I will provide the Entra ID license. I will provide the Intune license from your account. Okay. I don't want to assign any applications because if I select the license by default, you will be having 9 apps. Okay. And you will be getting this because I'm having a Intune suite license. Intune suite license is the top one in the company. So that's why we are getting this feature also, remote help, okay? Just updating your, yeah, license has been updated here in this admin center. Let me refresh and see if you have the license. You have the license, but when you have this, I don't think so nowadays they have changed the, assigning type because earlier now we are assigning the roles, right? How we are assigning the roles, we have this plus icon, right? In earlier also we had that option here, plus icon. When we are trying to assign a license, well, it should get failed because you don't have a usage location. But in the admin center, it is working for some reason. But if I type here, what will happen if user doesn't have usage location in Azure? Okay. You can understand this. What would be the problem? Okay, we recently have been receiving calls that Office 365 license not available to them because while troubleshooted, I learned that users that have recently been created on-premise means Active Directory, like Windows Active Directory, and do not have the preferred data location, which field is set to United States in Entra ID. In fact, it's blank. Appeared the Office 365 license cannot be applied, and the field is not populated. It happened, okay, in the year of 2023, November 6. I think now the changes has been updated, guys. But let me show you. See, this is the location we have to provide when we are creating a account, or after creating a account also, we must provide the usage location. I think how it is working is, suppose if you are doing some changes, suppose I have provided the license to you, right, Dhanshri? If you want to access the office network, so this won't work because you don't have a proper usage location in your account. So for that, I need to definitely update your account. So for that, I need to go to the overview of your account. Then I need to click on edit properties. Then go to the next job information column. No, contact information, I think. Where is that? Usage location, it should be there. Maybe it's in the location. Yeah, it's in. I think we given. That's why it's not take. We already given to your account, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's showing already. Suppose if I cancel this,
yeah.
let me check in properties only. Uh, Yesterday I given to you, right? Country I given only, but usage location.
We just given the country, I guess,
Yeah,
yesterday.
yeah. See, usage location I
Yeah.
given. No, I think I given actually for
Maybe
your
they
account.
have
Maybe
taken.
I didn't give to Gayatri, I think. Let's see her account first. Maybe if I give country, that is automatically converted as a
Yeah,
usage location or not, I'm not sure. Let us try that. Okay. Let me go to the
Yeah.
properties of Gayatri account. I given only India. Okay. Usage
yeah,
location. See, it's I didn't give any usage location to her. Correct? Let's
Hmm.
see now.
yeah.
I'm going to provide the roles first. Later we can try. It is working very slow, guys, for some reason. Yeah, now it came. So I want to give same actually to her also. Okay. Let me make her account also global administrator. Okay, I'm just assigning this role. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sure. So I have given that role. Let me add one more role, which would be Intune administrator role. Okay, I'm just clicking on next and I'm assigning this role also for you. So let me go to the eligible assignments. You would be having two roles now. Okay. But I didn't assign any license to you. Let's see if I don't assign any license, you will get error or not. So, okay. Let me go to this administrator tab. Let me select Gayatri account. Let me uncheck this. I will try to assign the license to Gayatri now. Let's see it should work or not. If it is working means maybe, um, but we have to make sure to, provide that usage location for every user in the company. Yeah, it is working here. Yeah, it is automatically taken. See the usage location as per the select
Yeah,
location, it is automatically taken. As soon as you updated the license, it is automatically assigned. Now I understood. That's why maybe they make the changes because of this. So many times the users are facing some issues, I think. That's why in the admin center, as soon as you updated these two columns and once you click on save, the usage location is automatically taking, I think. Maybe let me do one thing. See, it's already license is updated. Let me check the overview now. If it is already showing means, yeah, definitely in the admin center, they have made the changes. Yeah, see, you are right. You got understand now how this is happening.
yes.
Okay, guys. So now I taught you guys how to assign a license and how to assign a roles, correct? But if in order to assign a roles or in order to assign a license, your account should be part of a global administrator role, also part of a maybe Intune administrator role. If you want to do any changes, okay. 1 second, guys. You understand now?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Can anybody like are you guys are using a laptop or are you guys using Zoom in mobile phone? Because I want someone to
No,
share
laptop.
yours laptop, right? Yeah. Can you
Yeah.
let me give you the access to you or can you try to share your screen? Let's see you have that option.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, I will make you as a host if you can't able to. Let me stop sharing my screen, guys. I think then you already started sharing your screen?
Yeah, I've sent request.
Yeah, I know it.
Can you guys see my screen?
No, actually. What about you, Gayatri? Can you see her
No,
screen?
it's not. No.
Yeah, even we don't see. Can you try one more time? Now it is started sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So what you do is you have to open a new tab in this browser. Okay. Yeah. Type portal.azure.com or maybe you can type intune.microsoft.com. Whatever it is. Okay. Yeah. Please hit on sign in. So when it is asking sign in, please provide the name of the address which I given to you, which is pers the persistent email ID which I given now. At the date.
374, I guess.
Yeah, 374. Yeah, 374 dot on Microsoft.com. Sign in. Click on next. Enter the default password.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second.
Yeah, please. Please
It's
enter the
asking to
same
update.
password. Yeah, update the same password. And you have to create a new password. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. No, I think the criteria you have to give. Do one thing, give the password, the one you already used so many times in the company or
Yeah,
something
I
like
will.
that. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I will try different one.
yeah, please. Hoping that should work. Somehow. Click on next. Please remember this password, okay? Or maybe you can click on
Yeah.
update your password in the Google Password Manager. See? So in every organization, multi-factor authenticator is must. Without this authenticator, you can't able to access any resources. So click on next 2 times. Click on next. On your mobile phone, please open
Yeah.
the authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and you have an option add an account, right? You know how to scan this. Yeah, please scan this QR
Yes.
code and try activating it. And side by you can also complete the same, Gayatri. Okay, you have all the administrator rights, and please complete your MFA also. Okay.
Yes,
That's
actually,
okay.
I've connected from mobile.
No problem. So you can check today
Yeah,
and tomorrow and after
yeah,
tomorrow we'll be not having any classes, na? So next
yes,
Thursday and Friday we'll be having this next classes again. So no problem. You can take lot of time so that please get it complete,
yeah,
okay? So that you'll be having some hands-on experience. Yeah,
yeah, sure.
sure.
Yeah,
Actually, it's loading.
Okay, no problem. Like the application is not opening or what? I mean,
Yeah, the application is
yeah.
skip spinning. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you can close it and reopen again. I mean, you already tried scanning this.
No, like that application isn't opening. Maybe I'm
Yeah,
trying.
maybe you can close that in recent apps and again you can open again. Let's see if
Oh.
that app opens or not.
Mm.
I mean, for that application, maybe need a internet also. You can also check that. Okay.
Yeah.
Like as soon as you open the Microsoft Authenticator, it is not showing any homepage option, no?
Yeah, like I'm opening, but it's not
Mm.
getting open.
Okay, okay. Let's try again because this should be important. After that, we have
Yeah.
to do a lot of other tasks as well. No problem.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
10
I will
more
try
minutes left.
changing. Yeah, I
Yeah,
will
yeah,
try changing the network. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, please.
Is there any other alternative like
Maybe you can install Google Authenticator also, not a problem. And scan this, okay?
yeah.
Yeah, in the Play Store, you can install that and try scanning this.
Yeah, it's still showing that blank screen.
Maybe you have a mobile issue,
Shall
I think. Maybe. Yeah, you can give it a try.
yeah. Can we try like can't scan image here?
Hmm.
Maybe
Yeah.
let
You
give
can
any
try
other
that.
alternative.
No, you can
Yeah.
give it a try that, but you can't able you have to, provide the code and URL in this. And you can
Okay.
it should be again a problem. So you can try this method also. We have one more way, but let's see.
Yeah. 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 I'm just
For
rebooting. Okay. Yeah.
rebooting the mobile.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're removing the mobile directly, you can open the Microsoft app again. So usually it should work,
Yeah.
right? On your mobile, you have
Yeah.
company authenticators also.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see now.
Yeah. Okay. Now it came.
So after you scan this QR code, try activating this, and then once you have this portal available, please wait
Yeah.
for some time. So we'll be launching another call. Maybe I will start
Okay.
that call. I will send one more link actually to you guys. Please take some break, maybe like 20 minutes, and we can connect at 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. That would be okay.
Okay. Yeah. Like
Yes,
I'm
yes.
getting an error, like unable to add the account. Please verify the activation code is correct.
Yeah, because
Shall I
you
go
yeah, go
back?
back.
Yeah.
Go back and try again because it's expired, I think, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next
It
now.
took a lot of time for that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, can you try this now?
Yeah.
Scan this, and if you can scan this, okay. Otherwise, we have to. Otherwise, we can try this in another session. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Still giving that error. Okay. But then
Hmm.
I can see that account added.
Yeah,
Yeah.
click
I
on next.
think it's added now. Yeah.
Yeah, click on next. You will be having the code will come now. So please accept this 71 in the phone.
Okay.
Once you activated, it will get completed the authenticator process, and you will
Yeah.
see the portal.azure.com. Okay, next. Click on done.
Yeah.
Okay, click on yes. So
Yeah.
portal.azure.com is working for you, and you will be having a global administrator rights, also having a Intune license as well. Also, you are having a Intune administrator role also in your profile. Can you please open a new tab and just type intune.microsoft.com? Okay,
Yeah.
intune.microsoft.com. Yeah, you can open a new tab and check. Otherwise, you can Microsoft.com. No, spelling mistake.
Uh, uh, yeah. I think it came.
Yeah, it came. It came. So this is the Intune console, guys, from our tenant.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we used to do all the work, and whatever I'm going to teach you for upcoming sessions, most of the time we are using this console only. Azure we are using for only for identity purpose. Means whenever we want to add any application, whenever we want to create any group for our team, we have to include that group in any policy, which we are defining in the Intune console. So that time only mostly we can use this Microsoft Azure. But you can see in the left menu of this Intune console also, Azure Active Directory already given the options, users and groups in the left side. Can you see, right? These two options.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they already bundled these options also in the console, like in the Intune console, and that is for easy purpose. We don't want to log into that Microsoft Azure also every time. So that's what we have this option available. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, Dhanishri. We will connect the call at 12 p.m. guys. Is that okay? I will share the link.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure, guys. Take some break. We'll be resuming the call again at 12 p.m. So let me stop the recording.
Okay.
Thank you.